What would you do if you were told that freedom of expression in Brazil is on the verge of an unprecedented legal battle? That's right. Brazilian conservatives have decided to file a challenge against the controversial ban of X, Elon Musk's social network. And what's at stake could shake the global digital landscape. The dispute between conservatives and Musk's X ban in Brazil and what's coming could transform the way social networks are controlled. Are you ready to uncover the explosive details of this confrontation? A conservative party in Brazil is trying to overturn the ban that a judge placed on Elon Musk's platform X. This move could further escalate a dispute over censorship and hate speech in the country. The Novo Party has filed an appeal against Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes' decision to ban the social network X. This appeal will be reviewed by another judge. It's about freedom of expression. "We want X to operate normally again in Brazil," said Jonathan Mariano, federal prosecutor and Novo Party candidate in Rio de Janeiro. Last week, Moraes ordered the blocking of X in Brazil, its sixth largest market, because the platform failed to remove accounts that were allegedly spreading false news and hate messages. The judge also decided to freeze the assets of Starlink, Musk's satellite internet company, as collateral for potential fines that may be imposed. Musk, who has called Moraes a dictator, accused the judge of shutting down the top source of truth in Brazil. In response, X has closed its offices in the country and labeled the judge's action as censorship. This week, the Novo Party requested a court order to stop the ban on X, arguing that it is unconstitutional and also challenging the freezing of Starlink's assets. Moraes declined to comment on the Novo Party's appeals. Neither Musk, his lawyer, nor Starlink have responded to requests for comments. The Novo Party's request will be reviewed by Judge Cássio Nunes Marques, appointed by former President Jair Bolsonaro. Marques is expected to make a swift decision. No date has been set for the decision yet, but Marques is expected to act quickly because of the significant impact of Moraes' actions against Musk. Musk owns X and holds a 40% stake in Starlink. He is also the CEO of Tesla. Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva has endorsed Moraes' decision, stating that having a lot of money doesn't mean you can disrespect the law. Musk, on the other hand, has criticized Lula, calling him Moraes' lapdog. Moraes' decision was backed by one of the panels of the Supreme Federal Court, but some experts believe that a broader consensus among the 11 judges should have been sought. Constitutional lawyer Vera Kamim argues that this case is a power struggle between Musk and Moraes, and claims that freezing Starlink's accounts violates Brazilian law. On the other hand, former Supreme Federal Court President Carlos Aires Brito believes that X and Starlink are part of the same economic group. The Novo Party is not the only one questioning Moraes' decision. The Brazilian Bar Association has also requested that the order fining Brazilians for using VPNs to access X be overturned. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, share, and subscribe for more news and tips on economics and finance.